Whether you're buying firewood from the store or cutting it down yourself, here's how to split firewood safely to get an amazing campfire. Step 1 is get a wide stance like this. That way, if your axe does happen to miss and you follow through, your axe is going here and not into your shins. If your legs are close together and you miss, your axe could go into your foot or into your shin. Step 2 is all about the swing. We're actually letting the axe go up and falling straight down while squatting. We're not actually swinging to split like this. The reason being, if you miss or glance off, that axe is going to continue down towards you, and that's dangerous. Swinging is what you do when you chop down a tree, but when you split, it's about letting the weight of the axe come down and split that log. Perform a squat like this, come down vertical.
You're essentially lowering your body and your hands as that axe drops rather than pivoting. Because if you miss or split through the top log and your splitting log like this, my hands drop so low and straight down that it's impossible for that axe to swing back into my shin. In worst case scenario, it goes into the ground.
Make sure there's no knots in your wood. This wood is perfectly straight here, so it should be a perfect split. An example of the knot from the inside, you could see the wood is all gnarled here. That's where a branch came out. Splitting through this will be very difficult. Now let's say we don't have a splitting stump at all. If you have a horizontal tree branch like this that's downed, you could put your log here and split it against the log. Make sure there is no overhang at all, because if there is, when you go to split, that'll fly back at you. If there's no overhang, we could target this area right here and it should split just fine. Just making sure, you'll have to squat lower because this is lower. Do not swing towards you like that, it's dangerous. Again, straight down, no swinging towards you like this. So what happens when we start getting slim pieces and we want to make really thin kindling? One thing you never want to do is hold a log and swing your axe into it at the same time. Always resist the urge to do this. Even slightly, it could come down and cut your hand. And sometimes you don't have a good splitting log, so your piece will be wobbling and want to fall over like this. Take another piece of wood and place it on top to hold this one in place. Now we could take our axe, put it where we want, and just drop it gently on there. And now we could do one of two things. We could lift and gently tap like this, and eventually it'll split. Or we do the same thing again. Take your other piece and hold it in place. Have the wide stance still. Drop your axe where you want it. We could take a heavier log and just smash against the back of that axe and it'll split it perfectly. Even a small piece of kindling like this, we could do the same technique to get it smaller. We could either smash, hold it in place, now just hammer it. And that splits very small kindling, which is essential to start a good fire. This technique saves you from buying kindling bags like this because those larger bags of firewood are better values. For more camping tips and tutorials, we've got it all on the Bear Essentials channel. I'm your friend DJ with the Bear Essentials, and thanks for stopping by.